think this video requires a festive tipple. Tell me when. You meant to tell me when. That was when. Oh, you cannot beat it. Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with an unboxing video for you from one of my favourite stores, which is Hema. Do you know Hema? Are you familiar with it? It's often in train stations. It's one of my favourite things to do if I'm waiting for a train in one of the main stations here in the UK. If they've got a little Hema store, I think they've definitely got one in Birmingham, and there's also one in Euston. And just pop in for a little browse. They do really nice bits of stationery and really nice pieces of home decor, and I always end up picking up something in there. They very kindly sent me a box of things, so I thought I would just open them all with you so that we can all have a look at them together. It's like Christmas Day, it really is. So we'll get straight into it. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week. And if you enjoy this unboxing video, please do give it a thumbs up. So this is the box, and let's see what we've got in here. So there we are. It comes with some nice shredded paper, and there's a card here. Oh, that's nice. Have they made that? That's really sweet. Kind of like stickers on there. Oh, it's that way up. And this says, "Dear Ewan, wishing you a magical Christmas. Hope you love your Hema presents. As a special gift for your viewers, we're offering 10% off when they shop online using the code Mr. Carrington X Hema." Or like Mr. Carrington times Hema. Thank you very much, Hema. That's really kind of you. And yeah, if you want to take advantage of that, I'll leave that information for you down below. Oh, there's a few bits in here. The lounge is going to get messy. Sorry, floor. First of all, we've got some lovely Christmas cards. These say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And then we have some here with this really nice star design. I love navy blue. I'm really into navy blue ornaments for Christmas trees. There's not that many around, but they're starting to come in. So maybe by next year, there'll be enough assorted navy blue ornaments to do a whole tree navy blue. I think that would look really, really cool. Oh, talking of navy blue, how about this? This is very nice. I didn't know they did bow ties. Is this for a man or is it for a dog? Or is it for anyone? Probably doesn't matter, does it? It just says bow tie. It'll do me. That's so nice. I think velvet does add a touch of luxury to an outfit, doesn't it? Lovely colour as well. I would definitely pop that on. I'm not going to any black tie-dos, I don't think, this side of Christmas. But I might just wear it. Just that. Is it Frank Butcher in EastEnders? Just popped into my mind. Oh dear. We have a cracker here that says enjoy, and this is full of chocolate. Filled with chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, filled with hazelnut cream, Crispies. Oh, this all sounds really good. I won't open that right now, but we get the idea that it's got some good stuff in there. We have something in bubble wrap, which is very exciting. Oh. Hello. This has got a texture to it. This is a plant pot. It says flower pot, and it has this little, what would you call that? Well at the front. This actually reminds me of an old well. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like a well that has a pump. I don't know why, or like a fountain. Anyway, it's got a hole in the bottom, and it's got this bit here. So I guess you could just water that from the side. Is that what you're meant to do? You can see if there's water in the base, and then you don't overwater it. So if there's a bit of water in there, you know it's got some water, but you don't want to be drowning your roots, as the Houseplant Rescue will tell you if you watch that series that I did. Should we bring that back, by the way? I haven't done a plant video in ages, and basically I just haven't been buying new plants because I've got plenty. So yeah, but maybe we could do a few more plant videos in the new year if we fancy that. Right, what have we got here? I think this is a bauble. It is a glass bauble, and it has little stars on. You know, like the stars that you got at school if you'd been good? They're like smaller versions of those, if anyone remembers those stickers that you got at school. That catches the light really nicely, doesn't it? So it looks kind of like glitter from further away. Well, it kind of is glitter, but star-shaped glitter. And it's red. Very, very nice. Goes with the Christmas jumper. Bah humbug. It literally feels like Christmas Day for me, honestly. I love shops like this. I just love these kind of stores and I love their products. Great for browsing, great for killing time at the train station, and great for buying things that you probably didn't know that you needed, but then you decide, oh, hello. This is very cool. How about that? For anybody that wants to do a seaside or a mermaid themed Christmas tree, that is very, very nice. And I feel like that fits in with my colours really nicely as well. So I might pop this with the cactus ornaments because it's green. That is so nicely done. It's got glitter going through it, and yeah, it's kind of like two-tone glass. It's silver and green, and it's got the glitter going up the sides. I've had a few catastrophes already this year with glass ornaments and glass lights. I'm going to avoid buying glass lights, I think, in future, because the way they get tangled up around things, they end up getting smashed. Ornaments I can deal with a bit better because they're kind of individual and you can hook those on, but when the lights get in a tangle and they're glass, they sort of smash against each other, which smashes them, and we've had catastrophes. Talking of lights, we have some LED light snowflakes. You get 30 and they're battery operated. They look really pretty. There we are. They look like a warm light as well. If you saw how I decorate my Christmas tree video this year, you'll know that I've gone for warm lights on there. Yeah, I just fancied the warm ones. I don't know, I think the cool lights, the icy ones, look really nice outside where it's cold, and I quite like the warm lights for indoors. Does that make any sense? Does anybody else feel the same? So yeah, that's where I'm going with lights, in case you're interested. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Coloured lights are beautiful, obviously. And the final thing, oh, it's not the final thing, sorry. It really is like Christmas, you know, when you think you've got your last present and there's one more. This is a very nice little candle. It's kind of silver. It's hard to see with the lamps on sometimes. Silver-ish. I was thinking, is it a bit of gold in there? You know, it's got like a tiny bit of gold in the silver. My descriptions are appalling in this video. I do apologise. I blame the Baileys. Baileys is quite strong, isn't it? You forget. Oh, hello. This is nice. So this is a mason jar handle mug contraption thing with a lid. And it's got a straw, a reusable straw in it, I should add. And it's got a sweet little deer on the front there. What else have we got? And a few stars going on as well. Very nice for a Christmas hot chocolate in there. Or just sling some of this in there. Add maybe a bit of coffee, that would be good, wouldn't it? Or ideal for a little mulled wine as well. Cheers! How lovely was all of that? I'll be using all of these around the home, so if you want to see how I style them up, my Instagram is Mr. Carrington, the word Mr, and then Carrington. It'd be great to see you over there. So yeah, I want to say a massive thank you to Hema for sending me these lovely bits and pieces. I hope they gave you some ideas for decorations around your home. Also, some of them would make lovely gift ideas as well. And it's really handy if you're travelling home via the train station. It's a great place to swing in for those last minute presents as well. I'll put all the information for the 10% discount down in the description box as well for you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe and do give it a little thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which item was your favourite. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Just have a sip, mind you, otherwise I'll be like, ah. The lid, oh, it's not. I thought the lid was on. Do that again. Ooh-wee. Tell you what though, it warms the cockles. I drink it too fast. Oh, and I will put the I'll put the description. Stop it. I've had like 2 sips and I can't talk. Putting it on my Instagram, so feel follow. The Baileys has gone into my mouth and made it talk weird. I've got friends arriving in about a minute and I haven't wrapped their presents yet.